The next menu we want to look at is the label menu. What this does is puts a label on the cell so that we can name it. So first we turn it on, then there's 3 different ways we can derive the label from. We can have it come from the port list, which was defined earlier in this tutorial video, that's based on the BNC on the back. We can customize it, so we can go in here and say program. Or the third one is we can have external inputs feeding it through a protocol to define what this label is, like from another router or another tally control system. Where do we want this to appear? We can have it bottom center, upper left, or upper right. How big do we want it? Let's put it back down on the bottom. Do we want it to be small or large? What color do we want the text to be? So we could pick a subtle green. We'll make it a little bit brighter green so that we can read it. And then we have the background color. So what we can do there is we can say we want it to fit to the text. So it's going to restrain to the exact size of the text, or we can say full width. We can also pick the color of it. Let's make it a gray, but we also have transparency. So we could make this appear transparent, which is very handy when you have it over the picture. So in this example, we can have the gray. I'm going to go back and turn it to be more of a dark color, but I'm just going to put it transparency up like that. So now we have a nice subdued background set to full width, or I could set it to fit the text like we did before. And this also follows the text wherever you have it, if you have it upper left or upper right. I personally like it in the bottom center. And let's go back to 85% on the general.